Hi everyone, welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on CapCut. Today I will show you how to easily add a blur effect to the bottom part of your video. Whether you are a beginner or just looking to refine your editing skills, this guide will help you achieve a professional touch in no time. Let's jump right in. First open CapCut and add your video to the timeline. I would like to add a blur effect to the bottom part. Activate the canvas blur. You will see 4 blur options. Pick any one that suits your style. I have chosen the first one. To make the blur visible, reduce the video size or add a mask. Go to the mask option, choose the horizontal mask. Adjust the mask position to cover the bottom part of your video, where you want the blur. To make the blur transition look smooth, increase the feather value of the mask. Set the feather value to 20 for a soft and natural effect. Adjust further if needed until it looks perfect. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to share it with others. See you in the next video. Happy editing.